Okay, so hello Akash, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm also good, fantastic. So how is going on your days?
Right now, in internship is going on, so I'm actively participating in that thing.
Okay, what is going on? Internship.
Uh, yeah, internship. Actually, I'm doing internship in management and operation intern in Exam Pay. So basically, Exam Pay is an educational organization.
Okay, okay. So
So right now, I'm busy on that thing.
okay, you are busy there. Okay, so I would like to say you. I know about yourself, but our viewers don't know about yourself. So please introduce yourself.
Okay, so we already talked before. So myself, Akash Kumar, and right now I'm first year in my graduation, and I belong from Jharkhand, Tata Nagar, Jamshedpur, basically a steel city. And I like to play football basically in free time and watching movies. So this is a small intro from my side and nothing else.
It's nice introduction. But thank you so much for giving your introduction. Okay, so now I'm going to tell about myself. My name is Mamta Kmaut. I have
Yes.
completed my master degree in organic chemistry. After then, I have also completed my BEd degree. And along with, I qualified CTET examination. And I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. And my hobby is spending time with the family members, sometimes playing some of games like carom, badminton, like this. And nowadays, I am running a small YouTube channel that name is Mamta's Mighty. That's it all about me. Okay.
Exactly. So uh, we interacted through Joe's talk. So are you using regularly or not
So
nowadays?
nowadays I'm not using Jostock applications. Rarely I try to talk on Jostock application because like nowadays I have co-learners, lots of co-learners, and so there I can talk and I can improve my communication skill. I have 4 5 WhatsApp groups, so there like lots of I have opportunity. So there is no need to go for Jostock application. But by the way, if you want to talk about Jostock application, so it is good for everyone. We also met on Jostock application, so where we practiced there, and now because of Jostock application, now I am able to speak. I am able to interact with different type of people. So it is the wonderful opportunity for everyone. So firstly, if
Exactly.
we have fear, we are not able to speak in front of the people. So we should try to talk online with the audio call. So it would be fruitful for everyone. So still are you
Okay.
talking there or not?
What happened in Joe Stockna? I was consistent there over past 6 months approx. So whenever I got free time, I used to spend around 15 to 30 minutes, or sometimes it stays up to 1 hour. So I was a regular learner there, and still I'm using that app. And, I would recommend everyone that app is quite beneficial, at least for beginner, because in that app you must have noticed three to four features: reading, writing, listening, speaking. So these pillars were really helpful for me.
Yeah, it's wonderful. Like if we are beginner, we are feeling shy and we are fumbling along. So there we can talk because like no one it will be judged because all people are same like us. So we can do.
Exactly. And those who are beginner, they will definitely hesitate or fumble in starting. It is normal. I'm also still a beginner or mediator, you can say. But uh, but I have gone through all your videos, and the way you are initiating each video through interaction, that is really amazing. In normal YouTube, what people are doing, that they are genuinely just uploading the content grammar, but the way you are improving your communication through one to one communication, that also helps to reduce hesitation, fearness. So that is the good thing, to be honest. The more you will interact with different kind of people from different kind of surrounding, that will be really helpful in learning, at least. So till now, how many videos had you uploaded,
I
and
think
how many people?
More than
you had interacted before.
yeah, when I used to talk on Jostock application, after then, like I thought I should go for like a video call with the video call.
Oh,
So when I started interaction of the lots of people, so I started uploading videos, and like within 2 months, I uploaded more than 40 videos. So like from there, I'm gaining confidence, and at least I'm able to speak. I'm reduced my fear. And I get my confidence with the video call. Before, like I used to talk a lot, but like I didn't have any idea like I'm improving or not. But now I can see, I can observe myself, and after recording that video, I observe myself where I'm making mistake here and there, and after then I can improve myself. And lots of person also watching my video, so they can also observe or they can tell like where I'm fumbling, where I'm making mistake. So from there I can get idea. So it is the good
because you're also in the starting learning period, and most of them will definitely suggest you. So that should be noted down. And you're doing also amazing work, to be honest.
Okay, thank you so much. I know myself, but like someone is praising me, so it
No,
is.
no, no, no. Like I'm telling you now, the suppose in the starting, I have also gone through your Insta profile. I have also gone through your YouTube profile. So what the thing you are doing on continuous basis, that is uploading vocabulary on regular basis. That will help you at least to store some vocab on regular basis. Or well communication or well speaking and well interaction with other person, vocab is the real thing.
Yeah,
The more vocab you will have, the more easily you will interact with, and more you will be fluent. So first thing that you are learning through uploading, through interaction, through speaking, through writing, so these things will be really helpful.
correct. Like when I upload any vocab, so before uploading, I try to read those vocab. I repeat again and again, two, three, four times. I repeat. After then, I upload so that can I can learn from that vocab, and audience can also learn from that vocab. So this type of thing I do, and like indirectly, I am learning those vocab. I am uploading short video, so I am learning also.
Exactly. Like at least in starting it will take around 3 to 4, 5, 6 months, whatever time. uh, so it will be helpful. So like just one question, like do you also upload the grammar section, something like that, or
No,
just vocab?
just vocab I upload. This is so nowadays I am uploading vocab, and I'm not uploading any type of grammatical part. Before I used to upload. After then I thought like I should go for conversation video. It would be fruitful for me. Then I started doing conversation, and I am uploading the conversation videos. I'm working on grammatical part, but I'm not uploading because it is taking too much time. That's why I avoid it.
Exactly. I think well, normal speaking or communication basics grammar is mandatory, because without grammar, if you combine wrong formation, that is also not good enough. So vocab and grammar is also mandatory, to be honest. But that's also. Recently, I also went through a app that is a VTalk, WITALK, VTalk. Okay, so from there you can also interact with genuine people through audio, and VTalk, JoStalk. So I use these two platforms mostly, VTalk and JoStalk, for interacting with people. And for grammar in JoStalk, there were already a lot of grammar section. For vocab, Hinko's dictionary. To be honest, each day you will get update of word meaning, and through that word meaning related to synonyms, antonyms, and example. So these things were really helpful. To be honest, but like one thing I noticed. Suppose you are interacting with someone through virtually online, online or one to one or through video calling. But recently, I also faced this hurdle when you interact in offline. That time when you start communicating with one to one, that time also there will be hesitation. To be honest, yesterday I went some office. Okay, so that time there were some senior who were directly talking to me in English. That time I also hesitate because that scenario was in offline mode. Okay, so in through virtually through one-to-one communication, it is easy, but in offline when you're interacting directly one-to-one or through in group discussion, that time I also faced some problem. So I thought that more we will interact in offline too. That will be also helpful.
Yes, definitely. If we will try to connect different scenario, so we will be face difficulties because we are not habitual. We didn't try and we didn't talk. So how we can first out we can say initially days we will fumble, but after like some of days we will talk up. So we will gain confidence and we started talking in a normal way because we know, but we can't like share our thoughts, we can't elaborate our thoughts in front of them because like we are facing this problem first time. So like when we started,
Exactly.
we try to talk audio call, same thing we it happened with us, and with when we go through went through with the video call, same thing it happened. But like if we will go offline also because we didn't try, so how we can how we can interaction in a first time, second time. Firstly, we will fumble. After then, we will get habitual.
But yeah, but like in professionalism or in profession world, you have to deal in a offline world. So practicing in offline mode, it also matters, to be honest, because when you start working, you will interact with various type of people. So you have to be active that time also.
Mm. And these type of things we can do in a school, in a college. There we can do. But like if we are going to offline taking classes, so there we can do because there they teach grammatical part. I have noticed. I don't know some of coaching center they are doing conversation video also, but not a video conversation they are doing. But like age much age I try to talk offline, so they were teaching uh, grammatical part.
Oh yeah, I can. But no, apart from academic, apart from coaching, I'm saying, suppose you went school or you start your career in starting when you will interact with people or senior, so you have to face through group discussion in meeting or in school PTM, parent teacher meeting. So that time you have to speak in English now, because teacher will deliver their speech in English. So that time you have to be also active that mode. So like I'm also a beginner, but still I'm just keep uh, improving and keep learning that thing. But like despite of having such amount of good content in YouTube or in platform Play Store, there were many people who are also not serious regarding this. To be honest,
Okay.
just they suppose someone who studied their school subject in English literature or grammar, despite of having English subject, they are not able to communicate in English. And not only one, many people faces such type of situation or circumstances.
It is not mandatory. Like if we will have English subject, then we will be able to speak English. Like lots of people don't have like a English subject. We belong to different scenario. We belong to another language. So after then we are speaking. We can learn to speak.
Exactly.
It will take time.
So, like apart from communication, you also interacted that I had seen in YouTube with many people or from different profession or different surrounding. Apart from English, what relation they had share with you?
Sorry. Apart from English,
Like apart from English, what had you learned from them? Like their way of their way of communication or their way of interaction through their.
Yeah, I can say like nowadays I'm totally indulged in English language. I'm not doing any type of work. Like I do my related to my household chores. After then, I started learning this language because like it is my motto. It is my goal. Firstly, I want to fulfill this goal, and like I'm not interacting different type of people. They are speaking Hindi. Already, I am aware this language, so that's why I'm not putting any type of efforts. And I don't have time also. Like I will go outside. I started gossiping and another thing. I am not doing this type of thing. Only I am learning this language. I interact to every day 2 3 people, and I try to talk in English, and I take session. After then, I recording, editing. I'm doing this type of work. After then, if I have time, I try to read some of vocab. I try to work on idioms, phrasal work, so that I can enhance my communication skills. So this type of work
Hmm.
I'm doing.
Exactly.
And when I have time, so
Exactly.
like the dancing part I like. So like if we are not going exercise, so I can enjoy. I am working on myself. I don't have time for
That's really
yeah. I like to spend time with my family. I don't go another person's like neighbors, and I am not habitual like this.
yeah. You are quite amazing. And you are from Rajasthan, right?
Mhm. Sometimes Sikar.
Jaipur.
Did you visit Sikar, Jaipur? No.
No, never.
Okay.
Recently, I went Kolkata. That trip was really amazing.
Mhm.
We'll think in future.
Okay, definitely. Why not?
Sure. Yeah, Rajasthani culture hits totally different.
Yeah, our culture also totally different, and like if you will come here, you will enjoy. You will see different type of scenario here. How they people talk to others, they how they live, how their culture. So like if we are going another place, so we know their culture, about their culture, and lots of things we gain knowledge. So like visiting part also it is knowledgeable. If we are going outside, we are getting lots of knowledge from others.
So, like, is Rajasthan only famous for quota hub or quota coaching?
No, nowadays Sikar also famous. Sikar it's come first priority. After then it's come Kota. Before like
So, what is famous? What is famous for
for the
basically
education.
Rajasthan?
Sikar is famous for the education. Lots of coaching
Okay.
are there.
No, no, because like some of my friend during my school time, they went Rajasthan to study, further study or to take coaching, mostly quota. So I was only familiar with Rajasthan in term of quota. Quota is equivalent to Rajasthan.
Okay. Only you know about Kota in Rajasthan.
So like, have you ever visited Jharkhand
Jharkhand,
or
no.
Tata Nagar?
I think in future I will have opportunity, so definitely we will go. Okay. So now,
Any more question?
huh?
Huh?
Okay, carry on.
Any more question? Yeah. What did you ask?
Okay, I was saying you like you are going nowadays you are going college. Okay, so they
Yeah.
you are getting opportunity to speak English there.
To be honest, like in school or colleges, uh, I studied from government basically. So during school time, I like I interacted normally in Hindi, or in college. Mostly people prefer to speak in Hindi. Even some of my lecturers who deliver their speech in English. That's it. Otherwise, the rest of the thing we had to do from ourselves.
Yeah, it's okay, but like in I am talking about it present time. Present time you are getting now. In
In
present time you are getting this opportunity. Like if your teachers are speaking in English,
yeah,
this is the good thing because like you are getting environment. So you should try to talk
yeah,
with your friends also. They will mock on
yeah.
you.
I tried. I
Then
tried, like some of my friend, some of my classmate. So she also speaks with me in English whenever she got time. So we just interacted through calling, or that's it.
okay, so you are talking about only C. You didn't see old friends about old friends.
Because he doesn't want to speak. He doesn't want to communicate. That's why
Okay, you
she
like
is
boys.
interested.
Like, I think boys mock on you. Okay, I can
Yeah,
understand. Okay, okay,
yeah.
because like
That's the
girls are
reason.
sincere.
Hmm.
They would
That's the reason.
like to talk in English also. But when we started
Ah,
talking with the boys, so they started mocking, they started laughing, and so this type of thing
exactly.
happened. Okay, no worry.
Exactly. That there are many reasons, na, because initially 1 day, 2 day they will talk, and after that they lose the interest totally. So that's the issue.
Mhm. So, are you working on something on related to English, like
Ah,
walking, any learning?
like I told you like I prefer reading most of the time. So I used to read various type of article like through India Today or on Quora. On Quora, I'm also a regular active user where I used to confess my feeling whatever in my day-to-day life through reading or writing. That also helps.
Okay,
Or in Coach Dictionary, I also sometimes uh, I watch your videos,
okay,
vocab video. Yeah, so some words also hits in my mind.
okay. So, like, what is your goal? What do you want to become a like? What's your goal? You can tell.
What's my goal? To be honest, according to my scenario or circumstances, I want to get a decent job, first of all, okay, in my field, whatever I'm pursuing. I'll not reveal right now, but just to get a decent job after graduation. So I'm preparing for that thing.
Okay. So you want to talk? You want to do like to take English language also?
You
Something
want what? Can you repeat?
English related to English language also? Are you thinking about English language? Like I will learn English language after then I will do something related to English. Like in a
No, no.
future for teaching and something.
Like right now, I'm pursuing my bachelor in computer science. So most probably, I'll go into that field. Or talking about English, so I'll try to be more fluent or more advanced in this language that I can be fluent more. So I also used to read some novels and books in hard copy through hard copy, not online or ebook. And I'm also thinking to learn uh, some languages more like German languages. So, but after commanding over English,
So like your plan is going to outside, like abroad. Do you have any plan?
yeah, not right now. We'll think for master or something like that.
In
Because like situation changes. A lot of factor matters on your success. To be honest, the way you think. Suppose you were in starting, you were thought you were in field of chemistry, and suddenly you change your stream in English. So you didn't expect from yourself. So I'm also 110% sure, but something also favor and matters.
and in future we can't say.
Yeah, exactly.
Depend.
But English and communication, so these things I'm regularly practicing on basis. So I'm expecting from myself till graduate, I could able to be fluent. Uh, I could have more vocab. I could have more knowledge regarding literature or language.
Yeah. Yeah, you thought early, so it is good for you. Like when you completed your graduation and your post graduation, after then you will think. So it would be little bit difficult for you because like after completing our study, we have to face interviews, lots of interviews. So lots of person they are facing problem while interview, and they are learning this language because of interview. Because we have to complete, we have to crack this and that interview. That's why we are learning this language. So it is good.
Yeah, I'm telling you, like I'm telling you, ki during interview, during taking admission somewhere, or during for doing for higher study, English is compulsory everywhere. Even when you start booking, at least uh, anything, or you want to get a job, or you just want to proceed to fulfill any form, that is also available in English mode. Okay, so reading, writing, listening, speaking. these tools are really, really mandatory to learn any language.
And your
Recently, you know what I'm telling you, what happened recently, I was going through a brochure of my bank, uh, that was Bank of India. So in that brochure, there was written, there was a lot of English technical word. There were a lot of vocabulary that I was not able to understand that thing even. So I had to help. I had to take an help from Google. So in different perspective, in different thing, vocab vocab varies. Right now we are interacting, so we are using a normal vocab. Okay, during when you start working company, there will be other technical word. During marketing time internship, there will be some different kind of word in document or something like that. So becoming awareness is really important, that I would say. Or what happened in college time na, ki suppose those who had taken their courses seriously, so in their curriculum already they had books in English. So that is also helpful, to be honest. In my course or semester subjects, all books were in English. So once you start reading those subjects, so that will also help a lot.
so there is no need to go for another book because you have already your books in English. So you will read your books
Yeah.
so that you will learn lots of things
Huh.
from your books.
Exactly.
So,
Uh, in free time, I also listen some podcast that is available in India Today or some app. Okay, so that is also good. The more, the more you will involve in that surrounding, the more you will get knowledge of that subject. Suppose we are involving ourselves in through communication, so at least we would definitely get our knowledge. Most of the people are also not able to interact, to be honest, I'm telling you. Most of the people are also, due to fearness, they will not come in front of the camera.
they have
So
no.
at least suppose I'm interacting with you, you are interacting with me, so at least there is a less fearness. I can do, I can learn. So this is the only language.
So before I used to write, I used to read my books also. Like before, like my books were available in Hindi. After then, I changed in English. I purchased English books and I started reading. I used to do, but now.
Hmm. But I would say stick with only one material. To be honest, I had also some grammar book, two or three, but I never studied it, that two or three books.
Mhm.
I just stick with one book, that is Oxford grammar. So
Mhm.
during school time, during intermediate time, I studied thoroughly of that subject, whatever some grammar portion. That's it. And later I mostly focus on vocabulary,
Mhm.
because and then subsequently I'm able to communicate.
Okay, okay. So it is the nice talking to you. Like we should wrap up the session because already we have talked more than 30 minutes. Okay. So nice to meet you again. Thank you so much, Akash, for joining me and giving your precious time for me. Okay, bye bye. Have a
Thank you
nice
so much.
day. Take care of yourself.
See you.